When we lay a loved one to rest, we envision a final resting place that remains as beautiful and peaceful as the memories we hold dear. But maintaining that serene environment takes ongoing dedication. This is where the concept of perpetual care comes in. It is a promise that a cemetery will be meticulously maintained forever. It bridges our deep emotional need for remembrance with the practical realities of long-term upkeep, ensuring these sacred spaces remain dignified. It allows families to focus solely on honoring their loved ones. When families begin planning for end-of-life arrangements, whether for themselves or a loved one, they will almost certainly encounter the term perpetual care. But what exactly does this concept mean? Simply put, Perpetual Care is a dedicated trust fund specifically designed to ensure the long-term, ongoing maintenance of a cemetery property. It serves as a binding promise from the cemetery management that the resting place of your loved ones will be preserved with the utmost dignity and respect, long into the unforeseeable future. Here is how it works. When a cemetery plot is purchased, a predetermined portion of that cost is deposited into this fund. The principal remains entirely untouched, while the interest generated pays for indefinite daily upkeep. This includes essential tasks like mowing the lawns with riding mowers, meticulously trimming grass edges around individual headstones with string trimmers, and raking fallen leaves. It also covers the watering of plants and upkeep of common areas, guaranteeing the cemetery remains a peaceful environment forever. When you purchase a cemetery plot with Perpetual Care, you are not just buying a piece of land. You are contributing to a legally mandated trust known as a Perpetual Care Fund. This fund is the financial engine that guarantees the cemetery will be maintained long into the future, even after all the plots have been sold. The mechanics of establishing this fund are straightforward, but strictly regulated. By law, a specific percentage of the purchase price from every grave space or mausoleum crypt sold must be deposited directly into this trust. In addition to plot sales, families can also make separate financial endowments to bolster the fund. Once the money enters the Perpetual Care Fund, the principal amount is securely locked away. State laws govern these trusts to ensure the principal can never be spent by the cemetery owners. Instead, the funds are invested, and only the interest generated from these investments can be utilized. This continuous stream of interest income is what pays for the day-to-day upkeep of the memorial park. The earnings flow outward to cover essential maintenance activities like lawn mowing, tree trimming, landscaping, and repairing paved roads. This financial structure ensures that the final resting places remain beautiful, safe, and dignified for generations to come. When hearing the term perpetual care, it is easy to assume it covers absolutely everything within the cemetery grounds. However, there is a clear boundary between the cemetery's obligations and the family's responsibilities. Understanding this distinction is essential to ensuring a loved one's final resting place is properly maintained. The cemetery uses perpetual care funds to maintain the overall appearance and safety of the communal grounds. Their responsibilities include large-scale landscaping, such as mowing expansive lawns, trimming shared hedges, and removing fallen tree branches. They also handle the repair of common areas, which means paving shared walkways, fixing internal roads, and maintaining the water and drainage systems that serve the entire property. Conversely, the upkeep of individual memorial items almost always remains the family's responsibility. While the cemetery maintains the shared environment, tasks like gently cleaning a weathered granite headstone with a soft cloth fall to you. The family is also responsible for repairing a family-owned bench, maintaining a private mausoleum, and placing or removing fresh personal flower arrangements at the specific gravesite. To visualize this contrast, think of the cemetery caring for the community spaces, while the family tends to the personal monument. By understanding exactly what your perpetual care agreement covers, you can plan ahead for any needed upkeep, ensuring that the resting place remains a beautiful and peaceful tribute to your loved one for generations to come. When you hear perpetual care, it's easy to assume every single detail is covered forever, but the reality is much more specific. Generally, these funds are dedicated to the broader upkeep and beautification of the cemetery grounds as a whole. This means you can expect regular lawn maintenance, professional tree pruning in common areas, and the upkeep of perimeter fences, main roads, and pathways. It also typically covers the operation of irrigation systems to ensure the shared lawns remain green and dignified. However, perpetual care usually draws a clear line at individual plots. It rarely covers the repair, leveling, or replacement of personal monuments and headstones if they become weathered, sink, or suffer damage over time. Likewise, the restoration of personal items left at gravesides, special planting requests for specific plots, or the specialized cleaning of individual markers are almost always the responsibility of the family, not the cemetery's maintenance crew. Because every cemetery operates differently, the details of a perpetual care agreement can vary widely. That is why it is absolutely critical to carefully review your contract. Make sure you understand exactly what long-term maintenance is guaranteed by the cemetery and what responsibilities will ultimately fall to you and your family. At its core, perpetual care is about much more than just landscaping and maintenance. It offers a profound sense of peace of mind. For families, there is immense comfort in knowing that the final resting place of their loved ones will be treated with dignity and cared for indefinitely, long after they are gone. This ongoing commitment relieves future generations of the financial and physical burdens of grave upkeep. It creates a lasting, serene environment where families can visit, reflect, and feel a tangible connection to their past without the worry of seeing a sacred space fall into disrepair. Beyond individual families, perpetual care plays a vital role in preserving our shared history and legacy. By maintaining these grounds, we ensure that the memories and contributions of those who came before us are respected and remembered for centuries to come. Securing a final resting place should bring peace of mind, not uncertainty. When purchasing a cemetery plot, don't hesitate to ask detailed questions about their perpetual care fund. Ask exactly what maintenance is covered and what is left to the family. Next, review your cemetery contract carefully before signing anything. Pay close attention to the fine print. Ensure that the perpetual care contributions are explicitly stated and legally binding. If something is unclear, ask for clarification. Finally, verify the cemetery's reputation and financial stability. Look up online reviews to see other families' experiences. You can also check local government records or state cemetery boards to confirm the Perpetual Care Trust is properly funded and managed. Taking these steps ensures your legacy is protected. A little research today guarantees that the grounds honoring your loved ones remain beautiful and well-maintained for generations to come. Perpetual care is a vital component of long-term cemetery maintenance, ensuring that the final resting places of our loved ones remain beautiful, lasting tributes for generations to come. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and learn about this important aspect of end-of-life planning. If you found this information helpful, please gently tap the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with your own questions or experiences. For more resources and to explore all your options, please visit funeralus.com.